If you're getting the error message, the Rockstar Games Launcher requires an update, along with a message saying, minimum supported Rockstar Games SDK version. While your current SDK version shows 0.0.0.0, then this tutorial will show you exactly how to fix the problem. This issue usually happens when the Rockstar Games Launcher or one of its components becomes corrupted, outdated, or some important files are missing. Fortunately, there are several methods that have worked for many users, and I'll walk you through them step by step. So let's get started. Press Windows +I to open Settings. Go to Apps, then select Installed Apps. In the search box, type Rockstar. You should see Rockstar Games Launcher in the list. Click the 3 dots beside it and select Uninstall. Follow the prompts until the launcher has been completely removed. Once that's done, search for Rockstar Games Social Club. If it appears in the installed apps list, uninstall that as well. Removing both applications helps eliminate any corrupted launcher files that could be causing this SDK version error. Now we need to delete any leftover Rockstar files that remain on your PC. Open File Explorer by pressing Windows +E. Go to your C drive, then open Program Files. Look for a folder named Rockstar Games. If it's still there after uninstalling the launcher, delete the entire folder. Next, go back to your C drive. Open the Users folder, then open your Windows username folder. From there, open the Documents folder. If you see a folder named Rockstar Games, delete it as well. Now go back to the C drive once again, open the Program Data folder. If you don't see it, click View, then enable Hidden Items so hidden folders become visible. Once Program Data appears, open it and look for the Rockstar Games folder. Delete it if it's still present. At this point, you've removed almost every leftover Rockstar Launcher file from your system. Now restart your computer. After your PC restarts, download the latest version of the Rockstar Games Launcher from Rockstar's official website. Open your browser and search for Rockstar Games Launcher Download. Open Rockstar's official download page and download the latest version for Windows. Once the installer has finished downloading, run it and install the launcher using the default installation location, which is usually your C drive. After the installation is complete, launch the Rockstar Games Launcher again and check whether the update error has disappeared. For many users, these steps are enough to completely fix the problem. However, if you're still getting the same error message, there's one more method you should try. Start by uninstalling the Rockstar Games Launcher once again. Also uninstall Rockstar Games Social Club if it's installed. Then repeat the folder cleanup steps we covered earlier by deleting any remaining Rockstar Games folders from Program Files, Documents, and Program Data. Once everything has been removed, the next step is to run a PowerShell command. Click the Windows search bar and type PowerShell. Right-click Windows PowerShell and choose Run as administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Now copy the PowerShell command that I've included in the description of this video. Paste the command into the PowerShell window and press Enter. Wait for the command to finish running completely. Once it's done, restart your computer if necessary. Finally, download and install the latest version of the Rockstar Games Launcher again from Rockstar's official website. Install it using the default location on your C drive, then launch it again. For many users, this completely refreshes the Rockstar Launcher components and resolves the minimum supported Rockstar Games SDK version error. Hopefully one of these methods helped you fix the problem. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like,